Hi, I'm Shalev Amar with your Lemon Law Advocates. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the documents that you need to make a lemon law claim. Before we get into that topic, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law cases since all the way back in 2004. Thousands of cases at this point between my current and previous firms. We've learned some things over the years. That's what these videos are for, to help guide you when you have a defective vehicle lemon law issue. So let's get into today's topic. What documentation do you need to have your lemon law matter evaluated? First and foremost, what you need is the vehicle repair records, all of the vehicle repair records. That is the number one piece of evidence in these types of cases. So every time that you get your vehicle repaired, always be sure to get a repair record, even if they don't confirm the problem. Because even if they don't confirm the problem and do a repair, if you keep having the problem and then you get it repaired at a later date, then that previous repair, it can be argued, counts towards the law, counts towards the repair attempt and timeout elements of a lemon law claim. What's also important is when you pick up your vehicle and you get the repair record, always make sure that it has all of the problems that you complained of, and that it shows what repairs were done and whether the repairs were actually covered under warranty or not. Typically you can tell that because it'll say a W, meaning warranty, or N/C, meaning no charge to you, and there's no charge to you because it's covered under warranty. A couple of other indications in the records could be goodwill. That's if they're doing it out of the goodness of their heart, not because you had a warranty issue, or there's a customer pay. Oftentimes that will be in there if it's something that was caused by you, or that they're arguing was caused by you. So very important that you have that information in the repair record. So if you see any of the complaints that you mentioned missing from the vehicle repair record, just be nice. You get more with honey than vinegar, but say, hey, it looks like some issues that I brought up to you were mistakenly left out. Can you please add X, Y, or Z, or just X? And typically they'll do that. And the other thing that's important in the repair records are your date in and your date out. The date in is the date that you dropped your vehicle off to be repaired. The date out is the date that you picked up your vehicle because it's been repaired. So sometimes it'll state the date in the repair record, but not the date out. That's a problem because let's say that your vehicle was in a repair shop a couple of weeks or a month. You don't really have proof of that in the documentation. And anything written in the documentation is very helpful to you if it admits the time out of service and the repairs that were done to address defects. There's actually cases out there that even say, hey, if the authorized repairing dealership lists the defect, lists the repair that was done, and lists that the repair was covered under warranty, then that's an admission that it's a defect that is covered by the lemon law or other breach of warranty laws. So it's very important that they list out your complaints and what was done and whether the repair was covered under warranty or not. As far as time out of service, that's a major element of proving a lemon law claim, so it's extremely important that it has the date in, the date out, and that way you have accurate dates. And then what they can't do is sometime afterwards, if you bring a lemon law claim, try and monkey around with the records or try and say that your vehicle wasn't in the repair shop as long as it really was. So that is the number one piece of evidence that you need to prove a lemon law case. There's a couple other things that you need as well. You also need your purchase paperwork, basically your sales contract or buyer's order, and also your financing agreement if you financed, and then also your current registration, just to prove that you're currently still driving and owning the vehicle. So those are the things that you need. If you have any questions or concerns about any lemon law matters, please visit our website. That is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, or feel free to call us. Number is 480-237-2744. And remember, if your car's not up to par, call Amar.